Hi guys, and welcome back to another video. So as you can tell from the title of this video, I'm going to be doing another Goodwill thrift haul, and this one is going to be a big one. Today I spent $75, so I'm going to show you guys what $75 looks like and how much I got. I'm going to be posting on my Poshmark, so I'm going to tell you guys how much I think I'm going to be able to get for some of these items. I don't know because I haven't totally done all the comps. Today was a very good day because I found a brand that I have been looking for ever since I started my journey. Oh my god, I almost just knocked you guys over. I'm showing you guys everything that I got, and I am so excited to be filming this video today for you guys. A quick little announcement, or whatever you would want to call it. I did make a Poshmark Instagram so you guys can follow along when I go to the thrift stores and when I'm going to be posting stuff and all that kind of fun stuff. So I thought it would be really fun to start a Instagram Poshmark like page. So I did, and I've been loving it. Everybody is so nice. I asked so many people, like so many random people, questions, and they've answered me and given me such great tips, and it's so nice to be in like a great like community of resellers, and it's just really fun, and I've really been enjoying it. So if you guys want to follow me, it's I believe it's Life with Lo. Let me look it up because I just made it like 2 days ago. It's Life with Lo _ Poshmark Closet. So if you guys want to go follow me there, you guys can go follow my page and follow my journey there. Let's get right into this video. I don't even know where to start. So a good amount of stuff I may or may not have bought for myself. I haven't tried anything on yet, so I may end up posting it and listing it in my closet because like I said, I don't know if this stuff will fit or look good on me. So I was strolling through and I have a pair of red shorts in this color from American Eagle, but I've always been looking for these like colored jeans. So it's just like a burgundy red American Eagle jean, and they might be a little too big on me, so I might end up having to post them, but they are a size 10, and I'm usually an 8-10, but sometimes 10s are too big on me. So this is what they look like. They were super cute. So the color of the week was orange, and I didn't find anything orange. And I swear that always happens, and like they always pick like the worst colors, because there's always, at least at mine, I always see red and blue. Red and blue are like the biggest ones, and so today I found nothing orange, so nothing was 50% off, unfortunately. These were only $4.19, but I'm probably gonna end up keeping these for myself, so we'll see though, maybe not. You guys can probably find them. Super stretch does really well for me. The other day, like in the last few days, I've had a lot of people buying stuff full price, and I'm like, what? Because normally people offer and I usually accept, so it's like nice when people buy full price and don't try to like, I mean, offering is fine and great, and I love when people offer because obviously I price my stuff a little high, but if it's already like between 5 to 10 or 10 to 15 or 15 to 20, it's like, yeah, I would just buy it full. I mean, it's always worth it to offer. I mean, what the heck, you can't go wrong with offering, but sometimes people do offer a little low sometimes. It does bother me, but it's okay because you can decline them or you can counter, so you don't really lose in the situations. I mean, you lose a sale potentially, but if you'd rather, you know, hold off another 2 or 3 weeks, you can probably end up, you know, keeping that money. So another pair of American Eagle jeans, and yeah, I do pick up a lot of bread and butter because that's kind of what I find. American Eagle does really good for me. I usually sell the jeans between 20 to 25. Last week I sold a pair for 15, but they were pretty worn, so I don't want to, you know, rip anybody off, but $20 to $25 for an item that you buy for $5, I think that's a pretty good, you know, turnaround. It's a little extra money, so that's great. They are a little bit, you can usually tell with jeans if they're in good condition by this badge on the back. This one's a little bit more worn, but they're still really good condition, and like I said, the super stretch does really well for me. And last week I sold a size 6. This is a 6 short, which is great for the short people like me. Oh my gosh, my light is, but you get it. It's a size 6, and I thought they were a really nice wash of jeans. I thought they were really cute and a nice style, and they're super stretch. I have always ever bought super stretch from American Eagle, so They're definitely popular, and jeans have been going out of my closet like crazily. I haven't been able to keep them in, so I had to restock on some jeans today. Like I said, these may or may not be for me as well. These were in wonderful condition. I couldn't pass them up. They're a Lucky brand. They're in my size, so I hope they fit because they're so cute. Normally the Lucky brand that I find, everything is like old, you know, like older styles. But these seem new because they have like cute little rips in them. And even if I were to turn around and resell these, I know I could get for like $35 to $30 for these. So these are really good. Like I said, these are my size. They're a 10. So like I said, but sometimes the 10s are too tight or they're too loose. So every brand is different, but I thought these Lucky brand jeans were so cute. And do I need them? No, but they were only $6, well, $6.99. So also they've raised the prices like crazy at my Goodwill. Like the shoes are now so, the most shoe I've ever seen like price wise was usually around, I'd say like 9 to 12, but now they're like 14 to 20, and I'm like, okay guys, this is a little too much. I get it if the item is super new, or like today I found my Coach. I left them behind because they were a little damaged on the bottom, but those were still like pretty high, and I'm like, they're literally trashed. Like, I mean, I don't work there, so I don't know how they label and like how they figure out how to price things. But anyways, next item, I bought this for myself as well. I guess I'm just gonna show you everything I bought for myself at this point. So I bought this. It's like a light yellow. I love this color shirt. I thought it'd be super cute with like high-waisted jeans. It is a large. The straps look kind of long, so I don't know if it'll like run too low and like show off a little too much chest, which I don't really want. So if not, I will just end up selling it. So that's the great thing about buying at Goodwill or any stores now, is like, I'm like, I can just resell it. Probably is one of my favorite pieces that I have found from the day, and it's a pair of PacSun jeans. PacSun does pretty good for me. Pretty basic brand, but their jeans are $50 like to $56, so you can sell them for like 30 or like 25, 30 on your Poshmark. Like, people are gonna buy them because it's better than buying them in the store. But these were so cute, more of like a mom jean, but the bottom was so cute. It's like a loose hem. I thought that was so cute, and that's so popular, so I know these will sell good. And these are thick jeans, so they're good for the winter. So I was like, I need to get these. And this style is so popular, like the big loose mom jeans. And I thought the pockets were cute. I'm super picky on my pockets. If they're too big, I don't like the jeans, because then it makes your butt look saggy. So the smaller the pockets, the better your butt looks. Just a little FYI, if you guys needed that tip for the day. I don't know if you did, but if you wanted to hear it, there it is. This next piece is also for me. Oh my god, I feel so ashamed that like everything is for me. But like, I told my mom, like, if I don't end up wearing it, then I can always just resell it, and I'll get more for it in the end. So really, I'm not losing. So I got this really cute gray heart like sweater pullover. I love these kind of like pullover sweaters. I think they're so cute. It's just a Target brand. I think it's Mossimo, yeah. So this is just a Target brand, so nothing too crazy. But even if I was to resell it, I still could probably get around 12 to 15 bucks. So when you pay like $2 or $3 for things, it's not that terrible, you know. This is also a brand that is sold at PacSun. It's LA Hearts. This brand does really well for me too. Guy sold something the other day that was my sister's, and I sold it for like 25 bucks, like a knit sweater. It was cute, but like, I couldn't believe how like it actually sold for that much. It has like a rosebush decal, super popular, and it's like that waffle knit, which is also super in right now. So I was like, I need to try this out and see what it does. Honestly, I thought it was cute for myself, but no, I'm not keeping it for myself. I ended up listing it, but I tried to get a good amount of long sleeve stuff just because, you know, it's the winter. It is a little bit harder to find for me, but I had a lot of options today at my Goodwill because I am in Florida, so a lot of long sleeve pieces are not in. So they already had the Christmas stuff out. Like, I went last week and it was all Halloween, and then this week is all Christmas. I was like, this is so weird, but they already had so much stuff, and I was like, if I don't look at this stuff now, I'm never gonna get it. So these are so cute. I wish these were in my size. These are so cute, and I know these will sell fast. Not really a super well-known brand, Charter Club. They'll probably sell for like, I'll probably list them for like 25 bucks. But they're so cute. The sides have like that like the color, not really color, but I guess it's like a color block, but this is super popular with the half jeans like dyed like this. I was so happy when I saw these. I kind of just picked them off based off of style, but the brand is actually really well too, so I was like, I'll just try them out and see how they do. But I know these will sell good. They are a size 4, which I don't really do well with smaller sizes. Like I do, but I also don't. Like I'd rather buy bigger sizes, but I mean, it just depends. Like there's a buyer for everything, so you know, you want to make sure you have stuff in your closet for everyone. That way you can have a bigger variety of people coming to your closet. So this for me was the steal of the day. I have been hearing a lot of like controversy between this brand. It's not doing as well as it used to do, and maybe the shirts don't do as well as the jeans. But this brand is, I know most of you guys have probably heard of it. It's Madewell. Focus. So in the store, this probably sold for about, I'd say like $60 to $70, and then they sell this at Nordstrom for like 30 something, so I'll probably price it around there. But it is so cute. I saw it and I was like, oh, that's cute, I want it for myself. And then I was like, this is Madewell, I am selling this. I believe, well, this piece does go in the back. It's like a little tie in the back, but it's like a jean top. Like how cute. And it might not sell right now because, you know, the season that we're in, but I just sold a whole bunch of tank tops and overalls last week, so, and they were all going to states that already pretty much had snow, so don't lose hope, guys. So this is just another really cute and amazing find for me today, at least. And it has adjustable straps with a little button here so you can adjust the size. So I thought that was really cool too, and the brand just says it all. So I don't know if you guys have ever heard of it, but I definitely know it will do pretty well. This next thing, I do kind of want to keep it for myself, but I am going to list it. It's Victoria Beckham for Target, and this brand is like a higher end Target brand. People were selling this for about 40 bucks. So I thought it was cute because it looks like Gucci, like a Gucci like shirt, because it has like the Gucci bumblebee on it. Sorry, my camera is, the lighting is too bright. Let me turn it down. But I thought this was just so dang cute, and it's in such good condition. But it's just a really cute blouse, and I thought it was nice. A lot of scarves sold in this like material for 30. I was like, if that's a scarf, this can probably sell for like 45, and a few people have sold it for about that much. So I'll probably list it around 40 and see what happens with it. But I thought it was cute, and it's just so new that like I didn't want to pass it up. But I thought it was cute because it's literally like, it looks like the Gucci bees. This is also something else for me. I've never looked in the hard goods section before, like all the pillows and everything. And today was pretty cool. They had a bunch of stuff, but I found this cute little leaf. I thought it was so cute. I have a little diffuser in my room, and I saw the other day that the oils were leaking on my nightstand and is taking the paint off. My mom's literally gonna kill me. So I thought this would be cute to hold my essential oils in. So I decided to get this, and look how much it was. 99 freaking cents, and it's Hallmark brand, so I was like, I'm just winning all around. So, and then they wrapped it. How cute. Like, you know, Goodwill just stays winning. I'm sorry, but they do. So this other piece that I got, or the next piece that I got, is a pair of Dr. Scholl's shoes, and they're like a cute booty wedge booty. I looked them up, and these will probably sell for around $45 to $50. So I was like, dang, let me pick these up. I thought they were just really cute, nice color. I think this color is always going to be in for the fall, and they're in like really good condition. There's a little bit of like crud right there, but I'm gonna be able to hopefully pick that out. They just zip up and down in the back. Like, look how new that like chain clasp zipper thingy is. I need to get better on my terms. I really do. I'm so sorry. But they're nice, like suede, and I'm not really a fan of this like wedge here. But Dr. Scholl's is a good brand, and they're really cute and in such good condition that I couldn't pass them up. So this is my other shoe purchase. I just recently started getting into shoes, and they definitely can be a very good profit. Right now, picking up the boots for me is very important because boots are so easy to sell and just so nice to have. So yeah, definitely look at your shoe sections at your Goodwill because you can find some pretty good stuff. So yeah, that is these shoes here. This is the very last piece that I found. I'm surprised I don't find more touristy shirts like Disney and Universal stuff because I am so close to the theme park. So I don't know, I mean, I've watched Harry Potter, but I don't know a lot about Harry Potter. But this is a Harry Potter from the Wizarding World of Universal. Wizarding World of Harry Potter, but you know. And it's a Gryffindor, wait, is that what it is? Yeah, a Gryffindor like sweatshirt, and people were selling these for like $30, $35, and it was only $4.19. So this will be a good return on my investment. And I thought the colors were cute. I was like, too bad it doesn't fit me because I would act like I actually know something about Harry Potter when I go to the parks, but I don't. But yeah, it's small. So cute little badge on the side, like the, what do they call those? Like the, it's like something, it's like a big word. I don't know what it is, but like sororities put it on the clothing pieces. It's like their brand or something. I don't know. It's gonna bother me now, but I don't know what the correct term is. But that is the last piece that I got. So actually, I bought one more piece that was from last week. Let me show you guys. It's so cute. It's a Talbot's brand, but my favorite dog is Dachshunds, like wiener dogs. Look how dang cute this is. I was like, I'm sorry, but I cannot pass this up. So I thought it was so cute, and I had a reward, so I basically got this shirt for free because I had a $5 off reward. And I had a few other pieces. I got like Fabletics leggings. That was about it. I would show you guys, but they're nothing too crazy. But I do pick up Fabletics when I see it because it sells for like 20 bucks for me, and like when you pick it up for so cheap, it's worth it. But thank you guys so much for watching today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I love filming these videos. I love going out and showing you guys everything that I find. I want to do some question and answer videos soon so I can give you guys some more information and more tips on Poshmark and how the app works and how you can make some good sales. So if you guys ever have any questions, please just leave them down in the comments below. Again, follow my new Instagram. There you guys can also ask me questions, and we can stay in touch over on Instagram. So go give me a follow on my new account. And again, thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I will see you guys next week for another video. Bye.